is the Fort Morgan Colorado Vintage Classic Car Show. So you see cars from the 50s, 60s, you know, those things we think they are old. Now it is a show. So once in a while, every year, they do a classic car show and people come to watch classic cars. Like this pretty you are seeing here. So I'll show you some of the cars.
28.
Oh my God.
Amazing. Well maintained. Look at the paint.
All steel except for the fenders. And both fenders are fiberglass.
Are you serious?
Wow.
Wow.
1928, 1923.
23. Okay. Yeah.
What are you having?
1923
Ford.
Ford.
Ford was one of the cars that really good because I'm seeing Ford here and there.
A lot of Fords with Chevy engines.
Oh.
Chevy engines.
Yep, because you can do so much more to a Chevy engine.
Right.
Really?
Yep.
1923.
And he's still driving.
Oh yeah.
This was the in thing.